Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Deopani Durga Mandir and Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary, which is situated in Karbi Anglong district of Assam. So let's go through this journey. The Deopani Durga Mandir, it is basically a Hindu Shakta temple of Goddess Durga, which is situated in Asian Highway number 1, Bokajan, Karbi Anglong. And the Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary is a 6.05 square kilometer wildlife sanctuary which is located in Karbi Anglong district of Assam. So finally we have reached our first destination, that is Deopani Durga Mandir. Here, due to the weekends, there is a huge rush and there is a long line so that we can get into the temple for darshan. The temple holds a really good history. The idol of the temple was excavated along with some other archaeological materials, and the temple was established in the site where the idol was discovered. The temple is basically managed by a trust. In the temple, we have three locations. First, basically the main Durga Mandir temple. Secondly, there is a prayer tree. And thirdly, we have the lamp hall where we can light our diyas. After standing in this long queue for 1 to 2 hours, we were finally able to get the darshan. After we have done with our darshan, we were really lucky enough that we got to eat the bhog that was offered to the Devi. After that, we came from the Deopani Durga Than and we came back towards Garampani. After we reached the Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary, we went inside and brought the tickets, and then we went inside one of the oldest wildlife sanctuaries, which contain the hot water spring and waterfalls, and it is surrounded by the Nambor forest, which have 51 rare species of orchid. There is also a hanging bridge in this Garampani Sanctuary. The weather is basically tropical. The sanctuary has a very rich biodiversity. We spent a lot of time there. There is a park where the kids can play. Also, there is the hanging bridge from where we can go towards the Nambor forest, and there is some unknown roads which also leads to the forest. The best time to visit this sanctuary is between November and April, as the weather remains most suitable during this time of the year. After April, the temperature rises and the humidity also increases. It is also better to avoid the place during the monsoon, as it rains heavily during that time. So that was all about the journey. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and share.